On you! Oh, this is close! I'm topped out! Holy, that was close. Oh my, wow. Oh. Guys, did y'all see that? Oh, Big Red took the win. Little tiny 125cc. Oh, look at my burnouts. Oh man. Oh my, look at his too. Look how close those shifts were. That's power shifting for you guys. Him too. Quick shift there. Oh yeah, my brother's kind of mad at me. I kind of moved around a little bit too much. On you! Oh! Oh, I'm coming up on him! I'm coming up on him! I had a bad start! I got a bad start, but I still ate him up! I can't believe how crisp this 125 is! Oh man, I'd love to see what a pavement run will do. We're gonna have that coming up, guys. Look at these marks! Holy! Now check out this one right here. Check it out. Look at that. Oh man, look at that. I come from way over there and slung all the way. That's where I really lost it. I lost control of it. Wow. Son of a buck. Hey, last run, then we switch. On you. Come on. Oh, I'm reeling them in. Hell yeah. Oh. Wow. I gotta say, guys, I was actually really nervous coming into this race today because of knowing how powerful the 250s are. This is just mind-boggling. This is a brand new CR, it has to be. The power band is so crisp, man. And he just rebuilt his, so you can't say his engine's wore out. It's in its prime. Look. Oh man, it'll be pretty evident if we're about equal riders because we're going to swap and the outcome should be close to the same. Hoy. Ride it like you stole it, man. If it blows up, I'll fix it. Back on a 250, boys. I might misshift this one a little bit. On you! thing pulls. It hits rev limiter quick. Wow. It's definitely a, I gotta say, it definitely feels, I didn't notice when I only had a 250R, but now that I've had the 125 two-stroke, it is a lot, feels a lot better in my opinion. It's nimble, and this one does feel a lot heavier. It's stiff. You good? All right, on you. Come on, Kai! You can shift better than that! Oh, shit! Oh, almost dropped his bike. Kai weighs, just so you guys know, he weighs 20 pounds more than me. But we're the same height, really. I think he's just taking a little easy on my CR. Either way, both these bikes are very close to the same. Look at that CR right there. Woo, boys! Last run, Kai! On you! Oh, shit, I almost lost it! Oh man! Oh man! Holy! So I did just notice something. Initially I thought part of that was the rev limiter, but it's running a little funny in fourth or fifth gear. So not sure really how good of a comparison this is at this point. I'm not really sure. But boy, yeah, this is still a beast of a machine. Brother Kai's going to come back out with his DS450. That thing is an absolute monster. It looks brand new, like he just rolled it out the floor. He's going to bring that down. I'll have new tires on the Raptor at that point, and we're going to race 734 Raptor versus DS450. And he also has a YZ65 brand new that we're going to do a first impression ride, and I'm going to get to ride the 450. So tons of cool stuff coming up. I don't know, you guys decide which one took the win. It was close. Both of them very close. I feel like the dirt bike was a little more powerful. They're both dirt bikes, though. I feel like the 125 was a little bit more peppy on the top end. But it's running a little rough in fourth or fifth gear. I don't think this is a fair comparison today. Kai, I'm sorry, Kai. I do love your 250, even in its broken form right now. The thing looks so sad right now, guys. Anyways, let's go look at Kai's bike real quick, and then we're going to end this episode. I hope you guys really have loved it. Like I said, he's going to be bringing his DS450 out. So it's yeah, like I said, the seal has blown out. We realized because we could not get it cranked, and after we did those final runs, you guys seen it, the oil, well, y'all didn't see the oil, but y'all guys heard it on the drag races. Something was acting funny on the top end, and I kind of felt that. Come to find out, it's way too much oil in there now because the seal has broken, causing the oil to enter the other chamber. So we had a hard time starting it and realized that was the problem. But the dirt bike's in good hands because Kai's going to rebuild it and hopefully stock specs so we can compare it against the stock 125, because I do think this thing was compromised from the very beginning or shortly after a couple of runs. But it's in great hands because it's on a truck it's being hauled by a truck with Trump on it, so it's in great hands, guys. So don't worry, it will make it home for sure. If it was a liberal up there, I would say it's probably going to end up being donated to somebody. Anyhow, I won't go there. So, or yes, it would be left in Afghanistan for sure. If this was a Hillary or Biden or what's that other lady's name? I don't know. She has a weird name. Anyways, yes, Harry. If Harry and Biden had this, it would for sure be left in Afghanistan. So it's in good hands. Thankfully, it's on a Trump truck. Anyways, hope you guys loved it. I might cut this one more time on top end. Anyways, this is Quad Nation 929. I'm out.